The new tax reform that is set to be passed in Congress this year will put more burden on the poor. The research group IBON says the Department of Finance is only hiding the true effect of the tax reform package, which would only benefit the rich. According to the group's computation, 60% of the poor Filipinos will pay more taxes compared to the 40% in the high-income group. By 2018, around 32.9 billion pesos must be the tax paid by the poor, which translates to 1.6% of their total family income, compared to the 14.7 billion pesos additional taxes that high earners will pay, or 0.4% of their total family income.
Sa ngayon sa aming tansya nga, hindi bababa sa 600 hanggang siguro halos 3,000 piso mababawas sa bulsa ng pinakamahirap ng mga Pilipino.
There is only a small increase in the taxes for the high-income group. 154.8 billion pesos may be collected by the government from their group due to additional taxes on VAT, petroleum, and vehicles, but 140.1 billion pesos will be deducted from their personal income, estate, and donor taxes. As compared to the poor, who will pay additional 32.9 billion pesos for VAT and petroleum taxes, but it will not lessen their personal income tax because they are exempted or they are not obligated to pay such.
Sigurado kami, mas lalala pa yung gatong klaseng pabigat dun sa nakararami sa madarating na taon.
The group says the government will receive more taxes if its collection arm is strict.
Aabot sa 2-3 bilyong piso yung maaaring kita ng BUF sa mas masilap na pagkolekta sa mga mayaman, malalaking kumpanya at mayamang pamilya.
Ray Pelayo, UNTV News and Rescue, Quezon City.